If you've been scrolling online and suddenly come across the little white bear AI plush toy, you've probably seen it advertised as the world's cutest plush with smart AI features, promising to sense your presence and respond with gentle, realistic movements for a true cuddle-like experience. But is it really worth the hype or just another clever marketing gimmick? That's exactly what I'm here to break down in this review. And if after watching you still want to check it out, the product link is tagged in this video. At first glance, the toy seems like something unique, especially for anyone who loves the idea of AI-powered companions. But the deeper you look, the more red flags start to appear. The website proudly claims over 1,600 happy customers. Yet when searching across social media and independent platforms, the only genuine review we found was on Facebook. And that review wasn't glowing at all. It bluntly described the bear as nothing more than a bean-filled toy with no motion or response whatsoever, which is the complete opposite of what's advertised. Beyond that, the brand heavily leans on buzzwords like world's first and AI-powered cuddle toy, but fails to provide actual proof or real-life demonstrations of how the so-called technology works. Their marketing is also padded with suspicious celebrity endorsements that, when checked closely, have no evidence of being authentic. No real posts, no shoutouts, and no legitimate ties to the product. Instead, what seems to be happening is a very aggressive affiliate marketing campaign, where the focus appears to be on pushing sales quickly rather than establishing real value or trust with buyers. Another concerning detail is that many of the promotional images and videos have the telltale look of being AI-generated themselves, rather than showing someone actually holding or using the toy in real life, which makes it even harder to believe the bold claims. While the little white bear AI plush toy may look cute in pictures, the combination of questionable promotions, fake-looking endorsements, lack of proof, and almost no authentic customer feedback makes it difficult to recommend with confidence. It doesn't outright scream scam, but it also doesn't provide the transparency or reliability you'd expect from a legit comfort product. In the end, it feels more like an overhyped gimmick than a genuine AI companion, so I'd suggest being very cautious before spending your money on it.